Yo, what is up, everyone? Working on the S model again today. Got some stuff we got to do. It's kind of crazy. I still need stuff for my VTech model that I just have never had on it. When I got it, it was just kind of a hot mess, and I'm still trying to get things for it that I need. And I've already gone through 2 other OldSols now that were super cheap, that were just for whatever I needed, but they still didn't have some of the parts that I needed. But luckily, this one's pretty complete in everything that it has, and some stuff is still in really good shape. So today I'm going to be taking some stuff off of it and taking it back over to my house for some other stuff. But yeah, I'll show you guys what I need to get off this today. All right, so on mine, I took these little guys off when I painted the hood. So I need to rip these guys off this one because I need these for my car. I don't have, jeez. Fucking loud ass trucks. Okay, so under the car, I don't have this whole undercarriage plastic piece for my OldSol. So I'm gonna snag that today for sure. Let's see what else I need. I'm gonna take this sun top off and bring it back to my house because I just don't want this sitting over here. Yeah, and I brought one from my house that was on this car, so I'm gonna take that with me. I don't know. Oh, those were kind of the main things that we're gonna do today, but then I was also gonna keep sand in here. You know, we tackled this guy, but as you can see, this is where the real issues are, guys. Look at all this crap. Look at this. Good Lord here, folks. This looks real shitty. Real shitty. So, even like here, like what? I don't know. It's not good. That was the other thing. This guy's got some pretty mint, nice, clean fender liners, and mine didn't even come with them. So that'll be good to get these fender liners all cleaned up and resprayed and back on my car, because I don't even fucking have those at all. Yeah, and this one is the same way. It's all intact. It's not ripped. Things are looking good underneath there. So I'm gonna get all that stuff off, and we need to start tearing this guy down because it's all coming off. There's a lot of hail damage on it, but depending on really what happens with this, if I get this all sanded down and it's like rotted through, oh no, boys. I just don't know yet about this car, but only way to find out is to get sanded on it. So, all right, let's get into this. Okay. That was a hot minute. I got this front driver's side wheel well and fender off. Pretty mint wheel well, all things considered. No rips, no tears, got all the bolts off. It just needs a really good clean and a respray, but none of the things are all broken, nasty, like they're all together still. That was a good find. The fender, you guys remember they did this little number. Here's what they did inside. So that sucks. This Fender is now going to be an emergency parts, like just in case something were to happen. I have this thing, but we're not going to use that, that's for sure. Not too bad in here. There's some rusty going on. A lot of these bolt holes and screws, and there's some rust up in there. It's just, I do think it's surface rust though. It's just, it needs to be really cleaned and really gone over again. Nothing horrible though. Even down along here, there's nothing really too bad. Just needs a really good cleaning actually. This is good right here, which is awesome. Actually, it looks pretty clean. So that side's not bad, all too considered, but we're gonna make that look way better, guys. Yeah. Kind of sucks on the fender, but do have a nice wheel well. Okay. I'm gonna start working on the back here, and we'll show you guys. All right, so I got this side skirt off, which is awesome. I didn't break any of the clips, and I have extra all new clips in here now. But we got some rust. That's for sure. It's rusty, all right. Let me get a tool here really quick. Hold please. Hold please. Yeah. Not good. That's fucking roasted to shit, guys. Yeah, that's not good. The crazy thing is though, is I don't think it's rusted through. It's just some really bad surface rust that is rusting through though. There's no holes that go all the way through there, but man, I don't know. We still have quite a bit of metal back there behind, but it is getting pretty fucking close in there. But I can feel the actual thickness of the metal, but sure doesn't look like how this is supposed to look. You know what I mean? I don't know. We're gonna clean it all up and we're gonna start sanding. I don't know what the fuck's going on in here. There's like this thing, which I can't fucking tell what that is, but there's like some fiber, something fiber, like placed in here, like ends up here. What the fuck is all that? I've never seen that before. I don't know what that is. See all this though? Yikes. Yeah, it's not good, boys. Oh boy, there you go. All right, I'm gonna get my gloves on and I'm gonna start working on this, and we'll check back here in a little bit. All right, well, I've sat and contemplated this for a while, and this car's a goner. The Mugen S Plus will not live on. It's not worth it. I got that weird liner off of the inside of the rear fenders or rear quarter panels, and there was a hole, so I just kept digging into the hole, and I eventually got to a massive hole, and there's nothing left, and you can literally peel back the body panel of that quarter panel. It's not good, folks. It's not good. It is too far fucking gone. Like, look at all this. Toast my goats, folks. Totes my goats. And, yeah. Let's think. Well, you know, sometimes this happens, but it's just not worth it, guys. Especially with the time I have right now. Like, I'm trying to get sun tops going like I have been forever, but we are making moves on that, so that's good. I got some stuff in the works, folks. But it's just, I'd have to order these quarter panels from a guy in Russia, which I could do, but they're more than I spent on the car as a whole, and I don't know how to do all this body work myself. I'd have to take it somewhere and have somebody do it for me, but it's just, that's rough. And it's like this right here on the other side of the car here. Like, see all this? I'm sure it's the exact same way if I were to pull all this back off and look at that side. It'd be just like that. I don't know. I'm just, we're gonna do a full part out now. We're just, all these are all quality, guys. Windows, mirrors, everything. Door handles are in good shape. The inside's pretty mint, boys. That seat's good. This seat's trashed, but we can save all these inserts because you can reskin everything. So, but yeah, all the backs nice and minty. I mean, it's not bad for what I paid for it. And just like all of these, just all the body panels, extra trunk, tail lights. I mean, I'll have extra bumpers now. It is what it is. And then my wife is gonna hate me, but shit, boy, we'll have room for another Del Sol now. And I'll just be a little more eyeful of body hidden stuff. They did a good job of hiding everything underneath whatever the hell this is, some kind of epoxy primer, but whoo boy, it's just not worth it. So this will be a short build series and playlist on the channel, but it is what it is. A lot of good stuff on here. The motor works fine. It's a great motor. It's a non-VTEC motor, but it works perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with it. Starts up every time, runs great. Looks like there's been some things changed on it, whatnot. It's got a new timing belt. It's a good motor. So, but yeah, we're gonna send this guy to the junkyard. They'll probably give me $200 or $300 for it, which isn't bad. And then I'll take all the parts off it and call it a day. But crazy, huh? That's just so much rust. I can't believe it. I can't believe how much rust was under there. I literally could peel back the panel and I can see down up under the car. It's crazy, huh? So I'll probably do one more video on this series of just ripping everything off here, but that'll be it for this weekend, boys. It's just not worth it. So on to bigger and better things, I think, but it is what it is. All right, guys, have a good weekend. Peace.